Integers, the positive and negative of numbers. Let's look at those positive numbers. These are the natural numbers. They will be on the positive side of a number line. This is the number you always want your bank account to be on. Negative. These are the numbers lower than 0. They will be on the left of the 0. You do not want the temperature or your bank account to reach these numbers, better known as being in the red. Let's look at these rules. Your addition rule. When you're adding, if the signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. If the signs are different, you subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. Example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 5 plus negative 4 equals 1. That is because the 5 is positive, the 4 is negative. You're going to subtract and keep the sign of the 5, which is positive. So 5 minus 4 is 1 with a positive value. Subtract. Remember, keep it, change it, and then follow the addition rules. Negative 5 minus negative 6, keep it, keep the negative 5, change it, change the subtraction to addition, change it, change the negative 6 to positive 6. So you're back to the addition rule about it being the sign being opposite, so you subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. Multiply. Signs are the same. Your answer is always positive. 5 times 5 is positive 25, and negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. The signs are the same, so the answer is positive. The signs are different is always negative. Example, negative 5 times 5. Your signs are the opposite, so your answer will be negative. For that division rule, just go back and remember your multiplication rule. It is the same rule. Okay, let's look at this practice questions. Negative 12 plus 4. You've got opposite signs, so you subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. Keep it, change it, 10 plus positive 4 will give you 14. I keep the positive 10. I change the negative or the subtraction sign to a positive addition sign, and then I change the negative 4 to a positive 4. So then my answer would be 14. I've got negative 10 times 2. My multiplication rule, if the signs are opposite, you multiply and your answer will be negative. So it's negative 10 times 2, which will give me negative 20. On my division rule, my signs are the opposite, so I know my answer is going to be negative. So I say 10 divided by 2, which is negative 2, which will give me negative 5. Okay, I have a quick little video here that we're going to watch, and then after the video, we will practice some on a number line on our own.